Or WingStop next. Or WingStop next.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go.
We'll get this done as soon as possible, okay? Your change, my good sir. So sorry about that. Here's your receipt just in case, okay? I'll put under the name of the Look right here. Say yes or no. Look.
Yes.
Hello? Where's that?
5 hours later.
It's not gonna fit. The box is too big.
Ring. Ring, ring.
Wait, ask. Wait, is it okay if I put the tape? Thank you. I'm so sorry about this. Hopefully you could forgive me.